Hello friend, welcome to my channel. Today we will learn about the terms related to a circle. Like sometimes we saw some terms like radius, diameter or some other terms related to circle. But we do not know like what are the meaning of um, that term. So now we will learn about a list of terms related to circle. So before starting my video, please like and subscribe my channel so that you can learn these type of information from my channel, and you can also learn some tricks and tips for the math. So now let's start the topic. So if you want to know like what is the exact definition of the circle, so circle does not have any corner. Center of a circle is a point equidistant from any point on the circumference. So here we do not know the circumference. So now we can say like boundary of a circle. Say boundary of a circle is circumference basically. So now we want to know like what is the center of a circle. So center of a circle is the point which has like this point which has equidistance. Equidistance means like if I draw a line from this line to a boundary of a circle, so it has equidistance. So these lines, this point is called the center of a circle. So now let's talk about the radius. Radius is basically if you draw a line from center of a circle, like if we say like this is the center of a circle and we have to draw this line to any boundary of circle on circle boundaries upon a line which is draw or which is drop on any point on the boundary of a circle. So this is called radius. And sometimes, mostly we say the radius shows uh, by R symbol. So now let's talk about the diameter. Diameter across a circle, like this is the center of a circle and a distance across the circle passing through its center, like a point like this, and a line which is draw, which is passes through a circle and drop on other point of a boundary. So we will say like diameter. So this is diameter, and we say diameter from the D symbol, right? Small d. Now let's talk about the circumference. So circumference is basically the distance around the circle, like this is the circumference. Around the circle or boundary of the circle is called circumference. Arc basically the part and segment of a circle is a arc. Now let's suppose we have this part, a small part from this is the center of the circle and this is the small part on the circumference. So this is called the arc. Now, now text talk about the chord. Chord is line segment joining any 2 points on the circumference. Let's suppose we have a center of the circle and a line which is draw through a line which is draw like a line segment joining any 2 points on a circumference it's called the chord, like this is chord. But here we have another line, like we have the diameter, this one. So this a diameter is the longest chord of a circle which passes through a center of the circle. So this is diameter and this is the largest one or longest one, largest chord. You can say the largest chord of a circle. Now let's talk about the tangent. So tangent is the straight line which does the curve at the point. Like this is the a point which is a tangent line which is touched through this point is called tangent. Like this one is tangent. Now let's talk about the segment. Segment is a region bounded by a chord. So first we recall what is chord. Like this is the center, and if we draw the chord is a line segment which is touches any 2 points on the circumference. Okay, so this is chord, and the region behind if we talk about the corresponding arc, like this one is the arc of this circle. So this region is called segment, right? Now this one is the segment. Now let's talk about the sector. Sector is a part of a circle made of a arc of a circle along with two radii. Let's suppose we have a center of the circle here and we draw first radii, like this one is R1 and this one is R2. Like both are at same distance. And this part which is on the circumference is basically arc. So a part which is comes between made up of the arc and between the two radii is sector. Right? This is the sector of a circle. Now let's talk about the area. So it is very simple. The area of a circle is a region covered and enclosed by its boundaries. So these all the area which covered by boundary or by circumference of a circle is called the area. So this one is the area of a circle. So now let's recall the all parts. Like center is the point which has the equidistance from any point on the circumference. So this one is the point on the circumference and this one is another point, and both are the, and if we draw multiple lines, so both are the all lines are the equidistant. So this is called the center of the circle. Radius is the distance of a center of a circle to any point on its boundary. So this is radius, and the if the distance across the circle passing through a center, it's called diameter. Circumference is basically distance around the circle. This is circumference, and the arc is the part of a segment. So a part or segment of a circumference of a circle is called arc. Now chord is the line segment. Any joining 2 points on the circumference is called chord. And tangent is a line which touches the curves at the point is called the tangent line. Now segment is a region bounded by, like you can see, like region bounded by a chord is this one is chord, and a correspondence arc, like this one is correspondence arc, lying between the chord endpoints. So this is called the segment. And a sector is to be a part of a circle made of arc of circle along with its radii. Like if we draw two radii and one arc, correspondence arc between them. So now that region is called the sector. And last, which is the area. Area is a region covered and enclosed by its boundary. So that's it for today. And I hope you understand very well. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of information from my channel. We will meet in next class. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.